Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Spotify Auto Pause Discord on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down. You click here on apps, then you come to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here to looking for Spotify app here and this is window. You just go down to find Spotify and you click here on Spotify. Then you come to a next window here like you say or app info, then you click here on for stop and you click here on OK and you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all what you have to do and it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video about all Spotify settings.